Hello everyone, it's Adam here. This is a quick video. Just it's a part of the mod series, so I'm just making a quick video. I paid full price for this Antigravity ATZ-10. It supposedly is a direct fit with the 690-701. Don't lose that. And it looks like it is. Just stick that right back in there. Compared to the Yuza YTZ-10-S that comes with the Husky 701 Enduro LR. This is a 190 cca battery, and this one is 360, as you can see there. And the cool thing about this is, even though it's lithium ion, therefore it could, die like any other battery while parasitic drain happens, it does maintain a little bit of back voltage on reserve that's basically isolated from the system that you can restart if you let your thing sit too long. They said in storage, this can last for up to a year in storage, which means that when your bike is coming off of the riding season, you can just unplug the negative cable from it, and you will basically it'll sit like this for up to a year. And even if it does die, you've got your restart button, which is kind of nice. So a little less than double of the cranking amps and same size. And whew, man, this one's about 4.5, 5 pounds, and this one is 8 ounces, probably. It's pretty light. So let's get this installed in the bike, and then I'll show a wrap-up video. All right, the battery is in. So obviously, you can't really see it. So here's the, well, you also can't see it. The ABS dongle is down here, all tucked away. You can see a little bit of mark right there, but the anti-gravity battery is in there. You can just kind of get an idea of how well it fits. So it slid right into the cubby. This part promised to be direct fit without any modification or spacers or anything, and they were right. It was a perfect fit. And so basically I wanted to make sure it all buttoned back up properly before I shot a finalization video, and then I thought, well, they probably want to see how it goes in, and I totally screwed up by doing that. The only woes I'm having is related to this power module I have that's running through here, down underneath. You can see it under there, and it's coming into down there. But the battery itself, no problems. It's like 80% lighter than the stock battery with almost double the cranking amps. Just be careful if you're buying one of these lithium-ion batteries that you don't put them on a standard AGM battery tender, that you put them on a tender that supports lithium-ion batteries. I have a nice cable here running that goes to the battery. Well, it goes to the unswitched power source here on a 15 amp fuse, and then that goes back to the battery. So I can charge it with this, but I had to actually order a charger because all of my battery tenders do not support lithium ion. Yeah, super easy install. I'm linking Amazon below, not because I make money back from them, which I do, but because out of all the stores, they were the cheapest with free shipping. $179 shipped. Everyone else was $200 before shipping. So yeah, that's what I'm linking to. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and ride safe.